larger than life. It's great. The kind of experience which I had when I got in, from the entry point with the security to the kind of facility in terms of escalator, getting in the management. It's brilliant, and I think everybody must visit.
When you think about Mumbai and holding an event like GFF, there's no better place than the Geo World Convention Center. Be it the ambience, be it the rooms, be it the halls, be it the award function. This is the best place to be in. Like starting from interacting with the vendors or meeting your competitors or anything. It cannot be better than Geo World Convention Center.
When we first came, the first year when we came, we were amazed by how big the space was, how well planned it is, and the way the space was actually laid out for us to exhibit in a very good way. So no matter where you put up a stall, you still have all that visibility that you want to get from people, right?
The whole building, the location that it is located at, the kind of let's say architecture and the kind of thought process that has gone into building the different let's say floors in itself, like a huge floor for exhibitions and the rooms and etc. That has been very it's very good, and we've always had a good experience over the last 2 years.